Okay, it's time to take out your mini steel brush and start fluffing some bears. Now when you're working with the fluffing brush, you have to keep in mind that it is made out of steel and it can break you. To fluff your bear, just take your steel brush and lightly brush your pattern. I like to start at the edge and work my way in. If you look closely, you'll see that I'm brushing in kind of a curved motion. You don't want to just brush straight out. Here are some tips to remember. You might feel a slight snag, and that's perfectly normal. Be careful about brushing the same spot over and over because the paper could thin out and you're left with almost a see-through hole. It's best to do your fluffing before you do your shading. If you were to do the shading first, then all the chalk would get rubbed off when you're brushing the paper. Smaller pieces are easier to fluff than bigger pieces. See how nice and fluffy the paw is getting? When you're fluffing a lot, you sometimes end up with a lot of fuzz flying in the air, so this is when your mask would come in really handy. Repeat the fluffing process for all your pieces and then it's on to the next part, making the face.